Hey guys, Ahmed from instaSpace here. Today I'll demonstrate the instaSpace in the web. So you can easily start using instaSpace by clicking on try it now, or you can also book us as a quick demo and we'll get you set up. So here's an overview about space. You can just history, view at library, integrations, all the other stuff that we have. Kept it a very simple chatbot experience. Also have examples for review, redline, draft, and research. You can just test it out yourself. So for this demonstration purpose, I'll start by attaching an agreement that I want to review. Let's say for this example, I will choose an MSA that I want to review in this case. So just attach it and ask it to review the MSA agreement. Just hit enter or send it in. So as you can see on the right hand side, you can see the document there demonstrated. You can also see that it will search for if you have relevant contracts or relevant playbooks, and it will provide a quick analysis on the agreements. Let's give it a second here to finish all the recording. I'm giving you an answer. So it will go clause by clause. It will identify what are the must fix issues, what you should negotiate, what is the risk and impact on the business, and it will indicate where exactly it is located in the document itself. As you can see, here is the playbook compliance. I'll go over it real quick once it's done. I'll show you the findings and walk you through it. Yeah, just give it a second here. You can see it's also cited sources that it's within the document are also external sources as well. Okay, so the review is now done. I'll walk you through the elements of the review, the quick review. So you can see here that the represented party, it was able to identify that since it's my workspace, give you a summary about the risk, the key terms on the contract, the issues one by one, and where is it located in the document, the risk and impact on the business or the firm. And it will go clause by clause, identifying the issue. It will also do a playbook compliance from the clauses, status, the gap, the action needed or the guidance needed to fix this gap. And it will also show you suggested follow-ups in terms of redlining, drafting, and this is based on the review that was done above. So in this case, I will ask it to redline the IP ownership. It was one of the issues that was identified as a must-fix issue. So it will look at the review that was done. It will also look at the playbooks that you have in terms of standard clauses, the past agreements, and it will prepare a red line suggestion for you. So as you can see here, it's looking at section 9 of the agreement, in which the IP ownership clause is located. And it will be able to give you a targeted red line to use in this sense. Just give it here. It's also aligning with the playbook if you have a playbook. So the standard language is matching your tone, your style, and also your business position in that sense. So it's done. You can see here we have the red line ready for the IP clause with all the amendments based on the review, based on the playbook. You can view it, check it yourself, and you can see the rationale behind the change as well. And a negotiation tip if you want to also negotiate with the counterparty. Once it's done, you're okay with it, you can just copy the proposed clause and paste it in your document. So I'd also demonstrate how we can draft certain clause in the agreement. I wanted in this case to draft a limitation of liability clause, and it will look at the agreement, the governing law, playbooks, past decisions, and the memory that it has. So it will draft a limitation of liability clause for you based on your preferred language and tone. So it has a full contract, the playbook, also the market data based on the analysis. It will provide you with key observations before it drafts, and it will identify if this agreement is this, let's say, clause is already in the agreement itself. So if it has to draft one from zero, or it has to draft one that will complement the clause that you already had there, or just fix it in a legal sense. Give it a second here. Able to draft. Okay, so I got the clause ready. See, limitation of liability, the governing law. You can view the whole clause, make sure everything is fine and what you're looking for. There's also rationale there and why this clause protects you as an operator in this case, with this MSA. And you can copy it and insert it in your document. Also, another thing I want to show you is we have something called library, in which we have playbooks and vault. Basically, playbooks are the standard contracting clauses, and vault is all your documents and reference files that you can link or upload to the platform. You can also create a playbook. We'll show that in a different video on how you can create a playbook from a playbook document or from a standard agreement. For this case, I already have one. I will show you what the playbook contains. It has certain rules on clauses in terms of standard language, fallbacks, what is not acceptable, the guidance. And this will be used as a reference, and also you can share it with your team. You have an audit history there, and you can publish it as well and make amendments using AI. I'll also show you the vault. Vault is basically where you have all your documents, contracts, references, memos, etc., etc. And it will be used as a reference. You can reference it when you are reviewing a new contract, and also you can retrieve information out of it. And you can also integrate with all your data sources, whether it's OneDrive, SharePoint, Google Drive, and also you can review in Microsoft Word. You can see the Microsoft Word plugin in action, another demo. So that was it, guys. That was a demo for the web app. I'm glad that you have seen through this video. If you like any support, you can just contact us, book a demo, or you can try it yourself from our website. Thank you.